Hello, this is Jason Matthews. I'm a retired law enforcement officer, and today I want you to watch this public domain, publicly released police body camera video. And I want you to tell me, based on case law, from what you're seeing in the video and hearing, I want you to tell me what this officer can do from a use of force perspective to this suspect. In other words, can he use force on the suspect, and what type of force could he use on the suspect based on what you're seeing? And I will stop the video at a certain point and ask you a specific question. If you have not watched the first 3 videos in the series, go back and watch, because there's pertinent information that I want you to see in those other videos.
The thing of it is, you're still not in trouble, but obviously I can't trust you not to run anywhere. All right, so come on. I'm gonna put you in handcuffs for now, okay? Ah! Hey! You shot me, you got a knife! Hey! Stop! Stop it! Stop right now! I got him a good point. Stop right now! Stop! Nick!
So now the officer has pulled out a taser. Can the officer shoot the suspect in the back with that taser based on what you're hearing and what you're seeing? Comment down below. Based on case law, if you know case law, tell me, is this officer allowed to shoot that taser based on what you've seen and heard in this video so far? And if you don't know case law, again, go ahead and give your best shot. I used to train law enforcement on use of force and case law regarding use of force in a series of steps. Because again, I want to reiterate, law enforcement gets ongoing training, ongoing, regularly recurring training on use of force and case law. Why is that? Because officers potentially could use of force on a regular basis. Depends on where you work. Depends on what's going on, depends on the caseload, and case laws change. So case law could change on a local level or a national level, and of course, police must comply with all the levels of courts and their decisions if it's applicable to their area. So if the U.S. Supreme Court issues a decision based on use of force, that applies to all police. If the court from the Ninth Circuit issues a decision, that applies to several states only. And then there's local and state case law also. So this is very complex. Police have to know and remember case law. So tell me what you think. What can this officer do right here, right now? And then in the next video, which will be our last video, I will further explain how this works, and then you'll be able to see whether your evaluation as a member of the public was correct or not. Hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to be notified when the next video is released. See you in the next video.